Module 1. Lecture A. Introduction to the course. Python for Civil Engineers is designed to help you turn everyday engineering calculations into clear, repeatable, and reviewable Python workflows. You will start with the basics that matter in practice, naming variables so quantities, context, and units are clear, writing arithmetic expressions correctly, preserving precision, rounding results appropriately, and formatting outputs so calculations become useful engineering information. From there, the course moves step by step into decisions, repeated evaluations, structured data, reusable functions, and file-based workflows. You will use Boolean logic and conditionals to classify results against limits and ranges, loops to process multiple cases and track summaries, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets to manage measurements and project records, and functions to package calculations with validation, assumptions, unit conversions, and representative tests. You will also read and clean text-based data, convert fields for analysis, and produce reports with labels, units, warnings, summaries, and saved records. By the end, you will be able to build small Python tools that support civil engineering work with clearer inputs, consistent units, reliable checks, and outputs that communicate conclusions, supporting values, assumptions, and pass, fail, or review indicators. You will leave with the confidence to organize a focused engineering problem, turn it into a practical script, review it for correctness and clarity, and use Python as a disciplined aid to calculation, validation, reporting, and professional judgment. Thank you for your attention. See you all in the next lecture.